Honors Pre-Calculus final exam review for the 2013 exam. We're on number 11. Number 11 and 12 we're going to do the same way. It says convert the radian measure to degrees. Give answer using decimal degrees to the nearest hundredth. And it says use 3.1416 for pi, but it will be fine for us just to use the pi button on our calculator. We're going to get we'll still be accurate to within the nearest 100th. So we have negative 3.0, and that's radians. So we have for number 11, negative 3.0 radians. So all we have to know to convert radians to degrees is that we multiply by 180 degrees over pi radians. And that's just like a conversion. We want radians on the bottom so it cancels with the radians here. So that's just like a conversion. And then we know that 180 degrees is equal to pi radians. That way we won't have to remember, do I multiply by 180 over pi or pi over 180? As long as I understand that it's 180 degrees is equal to pi radians, then I just put the radians on the bottom to cancel with those radians. So now I can just get out my calculator, which has a graph on it. That's a nifty graph, but not what we want. So now we're going to do our negative 3.0. We don't have to put the 3.0, of course, and we're just going to go times 180. So times 180 divided by pi. So remember, the directions said to use a certain value for pi, but we're going to wantonly ignore those directions and just use the pi button from our calculator and then just hit enter. We have negative 171.887. But what we are going to pay careful attention to in the directions, anytime our directions tell us what to round to, we're always going to follow that carefully. It says round to the nearest hundredth, so we're going to round this off to negative 171.89. Negative 171.89. And we're going to put degrees on here because that's degrees. So that's how you do number 11, and you do number 12 the exact same way.